Good afternoon, everyone. We're right here around lunchtime. It's Jack McGrath with TJM Brokerage. First thing we want to look at today, pay attention to how the 7-year note auction goes. But we're going to look at the 30-year Treasury. And the reason why is there's a few things going on that you want to pay attention to. First, keep an eye on Friday's close. Below 148.04, you're going to have a weekly reversal, and the objective off of that reversal for next week will be 147.04 trade. So yeah, that seems like it's quite a bit of ways from here, but remember, you have all of next week to meet that objective, so you have to be patient with that type of a trade. But another I think important formation that we're seeing on the daily chart is a rising wedge. And what you want to pay attention to is, I think that 148.04 last week's close, today's high was 148.06. So you do have some resistance first right there, and then that would be first resistance. So if you pay attention to that, and if you continue to see failure, I think this wedge is going to get more important, put more importance on it, and you're looking for another leg down. Now, today the range was pretty good. The 147.20 up to 148.06. Those levels I think are important. That 20, if you measured from the last two lows, which were 147.15 and 147.18, it came right in today at 20. So that's your first support. Now, if we start to take that area out, I think you're going to see some more downside flavor towards the 30-year. Now, back above 148.06, you have risk up to 148.11. That would be where I'd lean on the bonds. I'd sell it to get short the market, looking for the next, another leg down. I know there's not a whole lot of reason to be short if the Fed continues to spend the way they're spending and print the way they're printing. But it's these formations when you have several that are telling you to be cautious about being long the marketplace, you may have a decent trade. Pay attention to, I think that, 147.20, today's low. If we can start to take that out, look for a revisit of 147.15 and below there. I think you go down to meet that objective off the weekly reversal. So tomorrow's close is important. But that's it for today. We'll see how this 7-year goes. Have a nice afternoon. Jack McGrath with TJM Brokerage. And I did send the charts out to the ntmarkets.com, so you can look at what I'm looking at on a chart formation. So that's it for today. Have a good afternoon. Thanks.